to throw an espresso cup off the hump. So we're just going to flatten the top here and press my thumb in until I get to this first knuckle here. Now I'm going to pull that out and broaden the base. And then I'm going to compress the base just by running my thumb backwards and forwards across the base 4 or 5 times. And now we're going to pull the cup up. So nice and slow on the wheel, and just pulling up there. That's just the first pull. And now we're going to pull again. And also shape how I want it to be at the same time. And I'm just going to do that rim bit again because my finger was sticking. It's still sticking. So now we'll just do that rim bit again. And now I'm just going to shape it using this wooden tool. Just nice and slow. And shape it to how I want that to be shaped. And then we're just going to get the water out from inside the cup. And we're just going to trim down the bottom here. I'll do most of the trimming once the cup is dry enough to handle by hand, and I'll show you that as well in this video. And then so that I can lift it off the hump, I'm just going to dry it off a bit with my blowtorch. Dry it off until I can see a bit of the steam coming off. It's a bit steamy now, so it's probably good enough. Dry enough to be able to touch with my fingers. And then we just wire it. And that's it. I can lift it off there without altering the shape of the rim, and I can just touch it and not alter it too much or at all. That's it. That's how you throw an espresso cup off the hump. Now we're gonna just trim up the base. I like to hand do my little espresso cup, so I use a little grater tool like this, and we just grate off some of the base and round it off and make it look nice and neat. And there you go. Nice little espresso cup.